There you go. We're here with Peter today over in Seacliff. Moved into this house just over a year ago, and just that we've recently completed a project here with ViewTek retractable fly screens, and also a retractable fly screen on the servery window here. So Peter, tell us a bit about your story. How'd you end up over here in Seacliff?
Well, my wife and I, Devon, lived in Sydney for 20 odd years, and we recently sold businesses that we had over there, and decided to move over here. Two reasons. One is our daughter, son-in-law and two little granddaughters live up the hill at Hallett Cove, so we wanted to be close to them. We're 5 minutes.
Important to be near family.
Yeah, 5 minutes away. And the other thing was, there's nothing else left for us to do in Sydney. We've finished the businesses and you can come here and buy a house for half the price you had it in Sydney, right? So why not?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yeah.
And what was it about, outside of your family being near here, what was it about this home that caught your eye?
Oh, bright and light. It's got fantastic views from upstairs. You can see the ocean, see the ships coming up to the port, you know, all that stuff. It's very close to the beach. It's just great.
Sure. So it sounds like views are important for you.
Yeah.
Okay. And with this area here, the way it sort of comes indoor, outdoors, why was it important for you to have a screen solution?
Flies. We discovered that we really couldn't, for the year we've been here, most of the time we had to have these closed because flies came in.
Makes it pretty hard to entertain when you've got the doors closed, doesn't it?
Yeah, and also, it does, you're right.
Okay, great. And obviously I assume you would have looked at a few options. Why was it that you just made the decision to go with ViewTek?
Just right from the beginning, I did web research. We didn't have any people over here because we've moved recently where we could get references from or recommendations. So I did some web research, put in retractable fly screens as a search term. Your name popped up, a couple of others popped up. So I did desk research, look at those things. Yours was one of the two that I wanted to talk to, and we talked to you, and here we are.
Fantastic. And can you talk me through the process that you went through? So once you made the inquiry, what happened from there?
Well, I contacted, I think I must have filled in the form on the website, and the very next morning I got a call from some very delightful person, friendly person, saying, yeah, got your inquiry, you know, and then we took it from there.
Yeah, great.
And so the experience, actually what struck me about the process with your company, with ViewTek, was that the experience was a pleasure all the way through. It wasn't hard work. I didn't feel like I was being bulldozed into anything.
Right.
I didn't feel like I was being ripped off. And it was just nice.
Sounds like it ticked all the boxes for when you purchase something. No one wants to feel like they're getting ripped off. No one wants to feel they're being pressured or bulldozed into anything, do they?
Absolutely. And you guys did everything you said you'd do. When you said you were going to do it, you kept us informed. We've had a bit of experience in the last 12 months here because we refitted this place with a whole lot of, we would have had 10, 20 different businesses come through.
Busy.
Yeah.
Really busy.
Looking at stuff, giving us quotes. And your experience was the smoothest and most reassuring of all.
Oh, that's fantastic to hear. Now, when it came to the point of the screen being installed, talk me through that process.
Okay, they said, okay, we'll give you a time, and then I got a call from, I think it was your production person. Yeah,
it would have been the production team that would have reached out to you.
Yeah, and they booked in a time to come and do it, and they came out, and the installer person was here, and there was a lady with him she told me she was moving from a sales support role to an installation support role.
Yep.
And she was just coming to see how it worked, and I was impressed by that.
Would have been Naomi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And I was impressed, you know, that the business takes the time to train the people. Don't just chuck someone out there and hope.
Absolutely.
Hope for the best.
Can't be hoping for the best when it comes to people's homes. Like, we need to take incredible care to make sure that everything is done right the first time. So that's why we put so much time and effort into our training and support to make sure that people like yourselves get the experience that you're meant to.
Well, it's working.
Fantastic.
And they, did the job efficiently, quickly, tidied it up, and here we are.
Beautiful, beautiful. And how have you found you using the area differently now that you've got your ViewTek in place?
Well, we've only had it in place for a short time, and it's just fantastic that we're able to get out there without flies coming in.
Absolutely.
And keep it open to let some airflow as well.
Yeah, so the airflow, and being so close to the ocean as well, being able to get that nice clean ocean air coming in must be important in a house like this.
It is.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And I guess the other thing that we sort of look at here is that you've got this really nice sort of indoor-outdoor space. You've got the decking out here into this tiled dining area there. Now with the ViewTek, you're finding you're able to sort of keep the conversations going?
Yeah, we will be, because we haven't really had a crowd of people here yet since this is in. But last Christmas we had the family and a whole bunch of other people here, and it was a bit tricky because we wanted it open, but the flies kept coming in.
Yeah, of course.
So next time we do a gathering like that, it'll be great.
You'll need to have every Christmas here from now on.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Great, too easy. Thank you so much, Peter.
Okay, great.